Okay, guys, I'm gonna model my version of like a medieval fire pit that I have in my drawings. As you can see, it's like a cauldron in between that. So I'm gonna show you guys this because I'm gonna also use the Solidify modifier. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Add, Mesh, and it's gonna be a UV sphere. Okay. Right off the bat, this comes in at 32. Okay. What I did is I reduced it in half. I went to 16 segments. Okay. There. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press period key to get here, and then 1 to see things in orthographic view. So what I want to do right off the bat, as you can see in my drawing over here, I have one up there, I have one over here, right here, something like that, okay? So I modeled this piece here, that's the whole point of it, okay? And I use the solidifier model, okay? Right there, right? Okay, thank you. All right, so let's go, let's do this, all right? It's right here. I'm going to press period key, which is the same thing as view frame selected. Okay, there it is. I'm going to go to 1. Next thing I'm going to do is go into X-ray mode because I want to delete everything in the back as well. So I'm going to tab in here. I'm in face mode, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. So we'll just do something like this, like that. And then we say delete and then faces. Okay, that's a start. And the other thing I did, I think, is I came in here and I shift selected, I think, every other one. Let me just double check. How did I do it over here? I think something like that. Nope, every second one. Okay, let's go. Let's go in here again, period key. Okay, so now I can get out of this mode for a minute. Okay, and then I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here every second one and so on and delete it, okay? Right? Boom, boom. Let's see, can we do it from the inside? Oh, yeah. There we go. I'm just holding shift and left clicking these pieces. Then I'm going to press delete and then faces. Bye-bye. Okay, this looks cool, right? So I'm just going to call this cauldron of some kind, right? And some kind of a cauldron, I don't know, whole pit, I don't know. Let's go with that. Okay, so this is kind of cool right now. I'm going to press A to select all of it. So this is basically it. So I'm going to tab out. There's my piece, right? Okay, so we're going to come over here in the modifier, which is the wrench. And I'm going to go to Solidify, which is a great piece here. See over here, thickness, 0.01. Just go 2, 3, 4. And you can see what's happening here. This is kind of, imagine this is made out of some kind of a bent or applied steel, rusted eventually, and so forth, right? So there it is. That looks kind of cool. Now what happens is if you leave it like this, watch, if I go into edit mode and I want to select a face in here, I can't select it. I made a similar lesson with a cube. So you can't select the inside, but you can select the outside. So what I do in this situation, I tab out, come back in here and apply the modifier and say bye-bye to it forever. And now if you go to edit mode, which is tab, you come in here, now you can select the inside, right? So if you wanted to, you can possibly do like over here. So watch this. I can come in here just like the chess piece. Again, I'm referencing the chess piece. You can make, if you can model a chess piece, you can do anything in this assignment here. So 1, here, except, you know, mostly everything you want. Okay, so let's just say even less than that. Let's just come in here and just do 4, something like that. I don't know if I got this. Let's see, did I get it on the other side? Yeah, this is cool. Okay, so I'm going to press E to extrude, bring it up. See, you can do some cool things here, right? And then you can come on the outside of this face, for example, shift left click, middle scroll over, shift left click, middle scroll over, shift left click, and then I'm going to come in here with the extruder along normals and crank it out. I said out. There you go. Okay. So that's kind of cool. I'm just making stuff up here. Okay. It doesn't have to be like this. Who knows, right? Maybe I'll get out of this tool and just go to edge here just for a second. Shift, shift left click, shift left. And basically, this is the solidifier. Okay. So I'm just going to make this a little more interesting for me, or down or whatever. Just you could do stuff like that. Who knows? Anyway. C'est la vie. Okay. So I can come in here and take these edges, bring it down. That's the end of the lesson on this. Okay. So I'll bring this down kind of on an angle. So that's kind of cool. Okay, tab out. So that's it. That's what I created. Then I can put some wood in here, cylinders with low poly count, maybe 8 sides, play around. That would be kind of cool. Okay, that's it for this lesson. How long was this? Okay, under 5. Thank you, everybody. Valiant out.